Great grand rising and great day on this beautiful Thursday, Jupiter's day, Jueves, you know what I'm saying? This day of continual growth. Yo, we're here, man. We're here. I got one job in this life, man. I got one job, man. One job. That is to do the best that I can with my time on this planet. Right now, I'm peeling a mango for this young queen, this young goddess I got over there in the living room doing her schoolwork. You know what I'm saying? That's my one purpose, man, is to do the best that we can by these children. You know what I'm saying? Because they're the ones that are going to be here, most likely here for the next, 150 years, 200 years or so. You know what I'm saying? So in my mind, in the back of my mind, I know that if I can teach them, if I can pass on some form of wisdom that I acquire in this time, in existence, and they can keep that, and they can pass that wisdom on to their children, bro. We can shift the consciousness of this planet. So here I am peeling a mango, doing my duty as a servant to God. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what they are. They're young gods. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a king. Yeah, you a king. You a queen. But as a king and a queen, your duty is to your kingdom. Your duty is to serve your kingdom. Your duty is to be a slave to your kingdom. Not a slave to the man that you may have in positions of authority right now, telling you what you can or can't do, should or should do, or, you know what I'm saying, whatever misinformation they may be giving you. But yeah, man, we servants of the Most High, man, and we're serving the Most High by doing our best to serve these children right. That's what I really wanted to come on and, share this video. Share me peeling a mango. Not for me, but for the little one I got over there. So I'm going to serve her as some mango. We already did the morning ritual, the lemon and pink salt with a little bit of water, to balance out the juices in the stomach. She already drank her morning brew that I always make, that tea with over 90 vitamins, nutrients, and essential minerals and antioxidants out of the 102 that make up the human body, So she already had her cup of tea, you know what I'm saying? And, I already planted the seed of like, yo, you can live more than 100 years. So there's no doubt in the back of their mind. Working on that subconscious. Because just like they put up all these commercials for us to be ordering Domino's day in and day out.
Somebody said when they're 100 years old, they want to meet God.
You can meet God before you're 100 years old. You can meet God right now.
In my class.
Yeah, close your eyes. That's God right there. Open your eyes. That's God right there. See what I'm saying? Yo, these children know. They know more than us. And we're over here thinking they stupid. Negative family. Yo, check it. I'm about to hook it up. Huh? Check it. Check it. This is her plate, right? What time is it? It's about to be 10. If it's not 10 already. You see my clock is set 10:05. I actually have it. I think I might have it forward or behind a few minutes so that I'm consistently like rushing, but always on time. Right there, boom. Break fast. She about to break that fast. Dope. Alright. She already had her cup of tea, cup of water, had some elderberry and some honey to get that, everything, the juice is flowing right.
All these things happen Imagine what will happen in the next 30 years. Or in the next 100 years.
You tell me all about dinosaurs?
This is how you live over 100
I did
years.
not live when
You
there were
heard?
dinosaurs.
That's how you live over 100 years.
know,
Not bacon, egg, and cheese or potato chips in the morning, but with
I
that.
do know that dinosaurs
And this.
long, sharp
Can I tell you something?
What's up?
I'm going to ask you a question in dinosaurs.
Am I recording? Yeah.
dinosaurs with flat teeth.
I didn't record you, but I'm recording me.
No, pray.
Everybody see me. For everybody is one, and one is everybody. Right, family? This video is going to be on there as long as technology exists. You want a fork?
Most people just try to get through the day, never writing anything down, never keeping track of their progress.
Here you go, young guy.
But gifted people learn to get from the day. They don't let a day end without picking up some valuable experience, working with content, some ideas that may positively affect their future. To get the most from the day, to learn the most from the day, you need to be able to reflect on the day. And how can you reflect on a day unless you record it in history? How can you possibly reflect on a week unless you can look back and analyze it? How can you learn from past mistakes?
Pick it up and put it in your mouth.
Past successes unless you write it all down? Something magical.
So did the tree.
It's almost as though when you start writing it out, you start figuring out ways to make it work. Perhaps the magic is that when you write it down, you can start to see objectively where you fit into the picture. You can start to see if you are being responsible, if you are being self-reliant. You are pondering. You are trying to figure it all out. The fact that it is now on paper actually creates a space between you and the problem. And in this space that you have created, now solutions have room to grow.
I washed. Oh no, I didn't.
Writing about events that occur helps you to understand exactly what is happening. When we describe life to ourselves only in our minds, our imaginations tend to feed back false information about how things are, distorted information. Sometimes our creativity can create scenarios that really don't exist at all if we keep the information just in our minds. But by writing it all down, we now can become more factual, more accurate, more realistic, more logical. And then as we
So move the camera.
You know,
Move the camera.
doing what you were supposed to do and were misinformed.
You're on camera, but I can't pull up.
Move. Get in the way. Move in the way. Stay in the way. All right. There you go.
Didn't seem to change the end result. These are the times that you have to rely on your own self-encouragement. And there are two ways to use self-encouragement. Number one, take responsibility for the missed opportunity or the misrepresentation. Learn from the fact that even though your client wanted it one way and you presented it the right way, it didn't work. Be prepared for the letdown that happen every so often. Know that this lost opportunity just sets you up better for the next one. Realize that you can make the necessary alterations next time. Make the changes that will make the difference. Study your mistakes and learn from them. Don't dwell on the mistakes. Acknowledge them. Learn from them. Encourage
Give me 10 squats.
that you're smarter than your bank account.
Give me 10 squats.
The second way to use
I said so.
encouragement,
Let's go.
remind yourself that you're bound to get better. Don't get down on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. It's the next opportunity that matters, not the last one, the next one.
4,
Now, the last one matters only in that you must learn from your mistakes.
6,
But the next one gives you the opportunity to show that you have learned from your mistakes.
9,
You can do it better next time. Just
Give me 5 more for complaining.
practice. Keep trying.
Come on.
Keep trying until what? Until you got it down. If you figured out what went wrong last time, then you know how to make it right next time. If you
Give me
figured
10 jumping jacks.
out and your presentation didn't work, don't
Because I said so.
do it next time. If you figured out that the reason you didn't close the deal this time was because you didn't have all the facts and figures in place, have all the facts and figures in
Give me 5 pull-ups. I mean 5 dips.
Don't beat yourself for
5 push-ups, sorry.
pat yourself
Yeah.
on the back for figuring it out.
1,
You need to encourage yourself.
Come on.
You need to pump yourself up.
All the way up. Get your legs up. There you go.
Cheerlead.
Strong.
Why?
4,
Because you can't
Say my body likes this.
someone else will come along
Say my body likes this.
make you feel
Say my body likes this.
tell you that you'll do
Say it.
better next time. You have to
This is good for my muscles.
yourself.
This is good for my muscles.
What's right?
Give me 5 sit-ups on the yoga mat. On the yoga mat, so you don't hurt yourself.
You're doing
Sit up.
Yeah.
Let's sit up.
Lay on your back and sit up.
Encourage yourself with future successes.
Oh my god.
And up.
Use
It feels
self-encouragement.
like hit on this
Take
now.
Yeah, and up.
responsibility for missed opportunities.
Come on,
and
up.
Study your mistake. Number 2.
1. Nice, nice.
Yourself. Encourage
Let's go.
yourself with your future. Encourage yourself with your goals, your dreams, your ambitions. Knowing that you've got a plan. Knowing that you're taking the right steps. Knowing that you're going to do it until.
1,
When you miss an opportunity,
2,
are unprepared for an opportunity, or suffer setbacks while realizing your goals, when you miss out, you need to encourage yourself by immediately
5 leg lifts.
getting back into line.
what's the leg?
There's an old
Lift your leg lifts. Lift your legs. Lift your legs. Lay on your back.
real cowboy.
What's on my back?
Yeah, and lift your legs. Do 10 of those. Yeah.
1,
10.
If you fall off,
Nice.
get right back on. If you fall away from your discipline, get right back to them. If you fall out of habit, get back into the habit. If you fall off, get back on. If you fall off the horse,
Powerful.
or discipline your progress. If you fall off the horse, get back on. It may be hard, it may be a bit
He
frightening.
said,
Get back
I have to go
on.
back.
Keep your ambition alive and active and well. You
Yes.
suffer one of two
Look
things.
how much I've been
Pain
missing
of
my
discipline
work.
or pain of regret. If you don't see the needs of discipline, you'll most likely suffer tons of regret.
This swallows in my
Discipline weighs
mouth.
out.
Ooh.
Swallows at my mouth.
It's much
You did
easier
work?
to
You been
be
doing work at your
disciplined
mom's
to
house?
have the money than to try to
She's been working
rationalize
your what?
why you don't.
You said what?
I'm telling you, better a few disciplines
Haven't been waking
than
me
a
up.
lack of
See?
dignity.
Look, I missed class.
Don't wish for less problems, wish for more skill.
And report card
Don't
today
wish for
was
less
today.
challenge, wish for more
Report
wisdom.
card day.
Don't wish for a
giving you.
change out there.
School is not going to give
Develop
you the
yourself
knowledge
to
that
the
I'm
point
giving
that
you.
you can truly and totally
What?
rely on yourself.
Point to your chakras.
What?
Point to your chakras. What's that one? Name it.
Chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, chest chakra, stomach chakra, sacral chakra.
Where's your root? Smack your root. Hey! And I'm going to teach you that in school. Your crown chakra,
Crown chakra, third
that's your corona. That's why they're telling people, you got a coronavirus. They're trying to steal their chakra. They're trying to steal their chakra, their crown chakra powers. So if you're scared of corona, you know what that means? You're not connected with your crown chakra. So that's why you need to work on your root. How? Working out. Work on your sacral. How? Working out every day. And eating right. And breathing and meditating. Work on your stomach. How? What did I just give you?
I'm at school and you say time.
What did I do for you? That's me working on my throat chakra, my stomach chakra, by not being healthy. Work on your heart chakra. How?
I'm not in school.
Love. That's sharing love.
They said I'm not done with school.
You got 24 minutes. Teach the youth, family one.